Hello, hello. Today, breaking brain, and do you have this dilemma? Krita or Photoshop? Or maybe Photoshop or Krita? Which one is for you? Today, I'm going to tell you. Please stay with me, and if you got this video valuable, please just to hit like button, yeah, something like that, and turn on notification, and of course, you know what, subscribe my channel, because it will be much easier next time for you to find my channel. Everything you will find below my video. And right now, just let's go. There's more than one way to do things. There's always different points of views and styles of painting. And if you want to be a graphic designer or an artist, you may be facing a dilemma: Krita versus Photoshop. Which is the best graphic design software for you? Let's see. Basic of comparison: ownership, release date, cost, platform supported, current version, language support, available features, other features, integration, suitable for, easy to use, and drawing. Which one is for you? Let's see. Ownership: Krita versus Photoshop. Krita. Who owns Krita? Krita Foundation. The Krita project was started by the KDE community in 1998. Krita is still part of this community, and they working together to create free and open source software for users all over the world. Photoshop. Photoshop was developed in 1987 by two brothers, Thomas and John Knoll, who sold the distribution license to Adobe Systems Incorporated in 1988. Release date: 2005 and 1919. So far, so good. They still exist. Cost: Krita is for free, and Photoshop. The single application monthly plan starts from $20.90 per month. Platform supported. It's pretty similar. It can run on Windows, Mac, and Android. Current version. The current version of Krita and Photoshop is from 2022. And language support: multilingual. Available features: wow! Krita has brush engine, layer support, transform tools, mirroring tools, and etc. And Photoshop: stroke smoothing, accessing Lightroom, photos, variable fonts, and much more. Other features: email support, tickets, online training resources. Okay, it's pretty similar. Integration. Wow, so many filters. And in this case, to my mind, Krita is still more flexible. Suitable for. Is suitable for freelancers, small business, medium-level companies, and large enterprises. Photoshop. It's mostly used by freelancers, small business, and large enterprises. Easy to use. Krita is incredible user-friendly. Photoshop is overwhelming and intimidating. Drawing. Krita is much better when it comes to making digital art. It's just a wonderful tool. Photoshop. This is not as flexible as Krita and isn't specifically designed for making digital drawings. Okay, which one is for you? The first reason is clear. If you can afford to pay for Photoshop, don't touch it. Secondly, if you are learning to paint or edit photos, start with Krita. It has many of the same tools that you find in Photoshop. However, if you are an experienced photo editor and want a fully functional program, Photoshop is for you. It has many reliable tools to do hundreds of image edits. But Krita is a tough competitor for Photoshop. As Krita is free and has a lot of features, the software can be learned quickly with the help of training resources. The tool can be utilized by small and medium companies for not only basic drawing. It offers more features and greater flexibility than GIMP and Photoshop combined. Krita has Python plugins. The users can increase the functionalities by these scripts for adding more many entries and manipulating drawings. If you are a little bit confusing, Krita community told you, find a third way rather than taking sides and defending a position. It's common for a proposed change to be polarizing, such that people align in different factions. One faction loves it while an opposing faction hates it and feels the need to try to block it. Remember, no limit to your creativity. You can use both of them so. What do you prefer? It's up to you. But I like Krita and I'm going to prepare more videos about my Krita's adventures. Krita is a good software product in the designing market, and I want to show you how and what for you are able to use it. Thank you. Okay, and right now it's up to you. If you got a value from this video, please do hit like button, subscribe below my video, and of course turn on notification because it will be much easier next time to find my channel. And of course, next interesting and useful video. Thank you so much, take care, and see you next time.